Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Jerry from Hawaii to the north. And what I'm doing this evening, it has been so hot here the last few days. We haven't been able to get outside too much to work on Alice, the motorhome. It's just been so hot. To get up on the roof to do the stuff I want to do, there's just no way I could do it during the daytime. So I'm going to get up there and do it this evening. What I got, it's a little mount I purchased off of Amazon to mount our Starlink to, or as we call them, Elon. So I'm going to get at that, and it looks pretty straightforward, looks pretty simple. I've already checked it out. Of course, the little mount for the Starlink dish, you have to grind that out a little bit because they don't manufacture it quite big enough for it to lock into place. So I've done that, and now I'm just about ready to go out and mount it on the roof. All right, so I'm up on the roof. Just going to mount it right here on this ladder on the cross piece, I think. Should be, it's fairly sturdy. Hopefully this piece fits. I should have taken the screws out before I got up here. Yeah, looks like it should fit. So now they say mount this in first. Guess then you're not cranking on your ladder, putting stress on it. Line that up. Yeah, I think that'll do it. That should be all that is required. I think she'll do the trick. Yeah, actually that was a pretty easy install. Probably took me longer than it should have, but that's how I like to do things. It usually takes me a little longer than it should. So that's it for this install. I will get Elon out and probably hook him up just to try it out, make sure everything is going to hold there solid, but it feels pretty solid, so not too worried about it. So yeah, that's the latest thing I've gotten for Alice in the motorhome, and we'll be trying that out here coming up. As we went out actually on the motorcycle the other night for a ride. I tried shooting some video with it on my helmet cam, and the video actually worked out all right, but I still am having issues with my sound quality. So that was pretty much a wasted attempt at filming. But as I was saying in one of those videos, we've had to rechange our plans for the summer trip that we were doing. We were heading up to Jasper, had our campsites all booked, but we've had to now since cancel those since most of Jasper has burnt away. I guess about 30% of the town last I heard. I think the town site's out now, but the park will remain closed probably, I'm going to guess, for the rest of this camping season anyways. So until next time, everybody, let's roll. Hey, let's be careful out there. Blackfish out.